The much-awaited iPhone 15 Pro series recently launched. But Apple fans were disappointed when they realized that their new iPhone 15 Pros faced overheating issues. The company officially acknowledged this issue and now, it is rolling out a new. For those unaware, the Cupertino-based giant faced criticism over the overheating problem on the iPhone 15 lineup. For one user, the overheating got so bad that it ended up burning them. The iPhone 15 Pro lineup's thermal issues are reportedly due to various different factors. While reports believed that it was related to the new chipset, A17 Pro, and the new titanium build, Apple claimed that third-party apps like Instagram, Uber, and other optimization issues with iOS 17 were the cause of the overheating. Now, the latest update is rolling out to address this problem. Apple has now released the iOS 17.0.3 patch. As per official notes, it addresses an issue that may cause iPhone to run warmer than expected. This update is targeted for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max models. Apart from just addressing the heating problem, Apple also fixed a bug that surfaced last month with the new update. In a statement to MacRumors, Apple has clarified that it was third-party apps that led to the smartphone heating up and the titanium build isn't a factor. The iPhone maker also added that the A17 Pro chipset does not require any tweaks either.